Well, it's March 24th here in Tennessee, and I'm going to make some buddies for a little juvenile hunt and hopefully get on a bird. I'll see you then. You need your bag right there. Wait. We've heard a few gobbles this morning. Very, very distant, but they're gonna try to make the close on them. Well, we heard some birds on public, so we're back on public. So I finally got set up here. Heard a bird real close, and we're just gonna wait it out. Today didn't work out like we wanted to, so we gave up.
Alright, it's Sunday, March 24th. I'm out here with Trapper C. He was kind enough to take me to one of his spots this evening. He's gonna try to call me in turkey with his wing bone here. It's right here. He makes it himself. It's out of a goose bone. He calls the heck out of turkeys with it, so we're gonna give it a shot this evening. Wish us luck. What do you think, Braden?
We ain't gonna kill nothing.
See, don't be like him. You gotta be positive when you hunt with Trapper C.
I got him, buddy.
You did?
Yeah, I rode him.